candy time. This is our first remix we've ever done together. I'm Skittles.
I'm Klondike. And this is Rolo.
This is our first remix of another YouTube video that we thought was really funny. So this is sitting on the toilet. Toilet sitting time. Sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a toilet. I'll be on the toilet and I gotta take a number 2, but I don't feel like moving once I'm done, and I'm gonna say like, let me take it away now. I feel like taking a breath. I mean, I just say, yeah. Yeah. Skittles. Hey, I'm Skittles, but I gotta tell you, I gotta sit on the toilet because I gotta take a number 2. Now, I gotta let you go. Because it's toilet sitting time.